Hi there, this is Ian. This is just a short video of an Arducopter crash that happened to my 500. It's been flying reliably for weeks and weeks and weeks with no problems whatsoever. I took it out of, in fact, winter storage and have flown it for about an hour or so already. But on this particular flight, all I was doing was looking at the spring weather, climbing up to an altitude of exactly 83 feet, which I noted when something happened which caused it to go into a fluttering spin and fall to the ground. I've turned the sound up here so you can hear it happen. There you go. And it did 4.5 laps, and before it hit the ground it took longer to fall than if it was not being powered. The only thing I can offer as an observation here is that one of the props came off when it hit the ground, but also that the motor itself had stopped while one of them was still rotating. That's it. You've got all the information. I've got the logs, but unfortunately did not have the control side of the logs enabled.